Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the element rod. So first, you'll need to own the ghostfin rod, which I already have here. You'll need to catch one secret fish at the ancient jungle, one secret fish at sacred temple, and create three transcended stones. Oh no, I don't think I can get out of here, but oh. So basically, to get the secret at the sacred temple, you're going to need to open up, not this temple, the other temple, which is here. I don't know why I went so far. Is here. And to get the rock, you'll need to climb up all the way to the top. Okay, I cannot go this way apparently. So to get the rock, you'll need to sacrifice 3 of your secret fish, talk to the temple guardian, get out your secret, and select proceed, and you'll get 3 transcended stones. Here, I'll show you items, and then get your secret. I only have 1. You need to sacrifice 3. So, oh my gosh, hold on. Take it out and then press talk and then proceed, and then you'll get a transcended stone. You'll need 3 of them. I still need 2 secrets, so yeah. And then you'll need 1 secret fish from just fishing in the ancient jungle, and you'll need 1 secret fish from the sacred temple. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.